guys, welcome back to the Rhea Swain Show. So ngayon guys, kahapon na ako nagpunta ng Jensen. Yeah, sorry wala ako nag-vlog kasi busy ako. Kasi nagbili ako ng mga gift sa best friend namin taga Maitong. Kasi nag kung every New Year mag-gift kami. So yan, nagbili na ako sa kanya ng mga gifts. So na ipakita ko. So, kung meron kayong marinig ng mga sounds, ignore it lang yan. So, ayan na. Nagbili ako doon. Sa SM ba yun? I don't know na. So, here it is. ECC pala. So, ngayon, the first item is this. A mini drawer. Kaya gusto niya man, so I just buy it from her. Next is mini markers. We have light blue, yellow, ano yan? Light blue, yellow, tawag yun? Ano scan tawag ito? Pink, purple, orange. Teal pala to, teal. Teal. Next is, gusto naman ng white na cute, so ito lang bibili ko. Kung meron kayo ng rinig ng baby crying, kapatid ko yan, nag-cry siya. Yan. Next, I just brought her some pencil. This color pencil. Ang color niya ay purple, pink, orange, yellow, teal, and blue. Oh, oh my god. Wait lah, just a moment. Wait. Next is these two ball pen. Where is it? These two ball pen, just a normal ball pen. And some markers, big markers like this. So we just brought her a markers. And some mga stickers na. First, I just brought her this way. These 3 roll sticker. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 of them. This sticker. This king unicorn sticker. Meron castle, moon, wings, something else. Guys, kung meron kayo narinig kasing is my twin sister. He loves to sing. So, we just brought this sticker. Let's find because sabi daw, may, like madami daw naman dito sa tigyan ko ilan naman niya. So, let's take it out. I just take them out. Oh no, he just takes paper. So, only just 3. Yeah. They are very, very cute. Meron tayong strawberry, another strawberry, and a strawberry. Sorry guys na may dito sa bahay namin kasi just ignore it. Isa rinig niyo yun? Kasi narinig niyo yun. Yung kapatid kong guys, he's so very, very annoying. Huy, English. Charis. Ayan. Next, this kind of thing, a sticker I just got for. We have lamb. What's this? Dinosaur, bunny, and So, ito yung ilagay natin para sa gift. Sana. Dito na ilagay lahat ng mga gift na pambili ko. So, let's first this marker. And this mini drawer. Nakita nyo yan ito. Dito yung mga sticker ko. So, magkuha ko ng like tiny sticker. Like something tiny sticker. Like, kunti lang na sticker. So, maghanap ako. So, ayan. Nakahanap na ako. This. Cherry and heart. So, I just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. So let's just put some here para meron siyang laman. Let's put this cherry and heart down here. And this tree. Here. And itong dalawang sticker roll, ilagay na natin isa-isa sila. Now let's go put it here. So meron pa, I just brought this one, tiny. So let's go put the sticker on. I-put natin yung sticker, this ball pen, mini markers, and wallet. First may gikuha ko ng mga sticker like gantong sticker. Oh no, wait. Like mga gantong sticker, this like mga thank you sticker, ganyan. I-put natin dito. So, madami siya dito. So, I'll just put it now. So, yan guys, na-put ko na siya. Hindi ko siya makita. There. Yan, madami siya do. Now, first, let's just put this 4 sticker. Let's go put it now. Next, this one. This and next, the wallet. 2 ball pen. Mini markers. So, let's go put in here. Ano na lang natin, just stapler. I just bought a mini staplers, color pink. Let's stapler them. Oh my god. So, very hard because it's tiny. So, there, I done it. So, let's put it here. Last touch. This pencil. So, ito na yung laman niya. Oh god. There. So, may gusto akong i-put palang sticker like this. So, I think kung meron akong mahanap, maglagay ako dito. Kung wala, so, wala lang. So, maghanap muna ako ng mga sticker kung anong malagay ko pa dyan sticker. So, meron akong nahanap, only just 3. Some flower. This one, this, and this. So, I don't know where I'm gonna put. So, I think I will just put. Oh no! I think I just broke it. I just broke it. So, I just fixed it. So, I'm gonna put the flower right. I don't know. I'm gonna put somewhere else. Yeah. there it is. So, thank you. Bye. Subscribe.